Getting the NW-102314-1 error on your PS5? You are not alone, and you have come to the right place. Let's fix this quickly so you can get back to gaming. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we will show you step by step how to fix PS5 error NW-102314-1. Let's jump right into the fix. Method 1. Check PlayStation Network status. When you are getting server error, check the PSN status. If the PSN server is down, then also you can get such errors. To do that, visit the PlayStation Network status page. Confirm if PSN services are active and not undergoing maintenance. If the server is under maintenance, wait for some time till the server is up and live again. You can also restart your router and modem and the PS5 console and check if that helps fix the connection error. Method 2. Check that the firewall is not blocking the PSN connection. Next, you should check that the firewall is not blocking the PSN connection. Access your router's settings. Log into your router's control panel using your web browser. Find the section related to firewall rules or port forwarding. Verify that the following PlayStation Network ports are listed as open and allowed: TCP 80, 443, 3478, 3479, 3480, UDP 3478, 3479, 49152 to 65535. If any of the required ports are blocked, you need to add a new rule to allow traffic on those ports. You can contact your internet service provider for help. You can also restart the PS5 console and the router or modem and check if that helps to fix the connection. Method 3. Change the DNS settings on your PS5. The next thing you can do is change the DNS settings. To do that, follow these steps. Open PS5 settings, then head to Network. Then select Settings under Network. Now select Set up Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS Settings. Select it and set it to manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and then set the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK to save the changes. Once done, head to the network page again. Now you can run an internet connection test. So select Test Internet Connection, Start Test and check the connection speed. Method 4. Try a wired connection. If possible, connect your PlayStation 5 to your router using Ethernet cable. Wired connections provide a more stable and reliable connection compared to Wi-Fi. This is because Ethernet cables are less susceptible to interference from other devices and obstacles, such as walls and furniture. Additionally, Ethernet connections generally offer faster and more consistent speeds. Method 5. Check for router firmware updates. The next thing you can do is contact your service provider and ask for a router firmware update. Due to outdated router firmware, you can have connectivity issues. So contact the service provider to update the firmware and see if that helps. Method 6. Forget the network. Forgetting the network and re-adding it might appear simple, but sometimes this can fix temporary connectivity issues. For that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select the Setup Internet Connection. Select the network you are connected to. Then select the Forget option. Then wait for a few minutes and then connect it again. You will need to enter your network password again to reconnect. Follow as shown. Method 7. Check the placement of the device. To keep your PS5 running smoothly and ensure a strong connection, place it as close to your router as you can. This will minimize the distance the signal has to travel, reducing the chances of any connection issues. Also, make sure to remove any obstacles between your PS5 and the router. Physical barriers like walls, furniture, or other electronic devices can interfere with the signal strength and cause connectivity problems. Method 8. Contact support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix PS5 error NW-102314-1. Hopefully, one of these steps got you back online without a hitch. If this guide helped, hit that like button and subscribe to Silicophilic for more PS5 troubleshooting and tech tips. Let us know in the comments which solution worked for you. Your feedback could help someone else facing the same issue.